Okay guys, you are welcome back. I want to quickly show you how you can fund your wallet with gray.co account. So if you are outside of Nigeria or you are also watching from Nigeria and you don't know how you can fund your gray Nigeria bank account, so I'll be quickly showing you how you can do that from this video. So if you are new to my channel, please do ensure that you subscribe and also like this video if you find it helpful. So quickly, when you log into your gray account, so this is the first interface that will pop up on your screen. That is, so if you are not yet gotten an account number, so I will also show you how you can do that in this video particularly. So first thing you need to do now is to click on the three lines at the upper right corner. So just click on the three lines at the upper right corner, this line. So quickly tap on it. So then you click on the account. Just select the account as you are seeing it on my screen right here. As you can see from here, I have US dollar account, I have pounds account, to have Nigeria bank account. So quickly, this video will be majorly for the Nigeria bank account if you are not yet have a Nigeria bank account with gray app. So I've stopped the pop-up notification, so it won't be restarting us. So what you need to do now is to click on the Nigeria flag. This is Nigeria flag. Just click on it to create your Nigeria account number. So just tap on it. So as you click on it right here, if you already don't have a Nigeria bank account, there will be something around this area that will ask you to get your account number. That is, if you also want to get your other bank account like euro account, pounds account, and dollar account, you'll be able to get the account number by clicking on the information that will be displayed to you here. So quickly, as I have said, that we will only be working on the Nigeria bank account from here. So assuming that you have gotten your account number, so what you need to do now is that you want to fund your account number with gray account. You want to fund your gray Nigeria bank account. So just click on the add money. Click on the add money. So now you'll be funding your wallet through via bank transfer or via mono direct debit. Do you understand? So just click on fund account by sending money to your unique Nigeria bank account. So assuming that you want to fund your wallet as non-outsider, as non-Nigerian, so you can simply fund your US dollar account if you can fund your wallet with US dollar account, or you can also fund your wallet through pounds account. You understand? So if you want to fund your wallet with US dollar account, just click on add money. So as you click on add money, click on the add via bank transfer. Click on the via bank transfer, and the money will be credited into your gray US dollar account. And if you are accessing the gray account from another country that are not using dollar account, you can also fund your wallet with pounds or euro account. So that is that about how to fund your wallet. So once you copy your account number, an account number will be displayed to you. So guys, to fund your gray naira account, that is, you want to convert your US dollar, your pounds balance, or your euro balance, you want to convert it to Nigerian naira. So just click on the add via conversion. So that is, you want to convert your US dollar to naira. Do you understand? So quickly click on the add via conversion. So now, so if you have US dollar balance before, it will show from this balance. Then you can now able to enter the amount that you want to convert. Assuming you want to convert like $100 to naira, so once you enter the amount you want to convert, then it will show it in Nigerian naira. Do you understand? So assuming that you want to convert like $10 again, so once you enter the amount that you want to convert to that, it will show the amount in naira on the screen here. Do you understand? So once you do that, once you enter the amount that you want to convert into naira, so then you click on the continue button. So once you click on the continue button, the money will be converted to your naira account. Once the money is converted to your naira account, then you go back and click here. Once you go back and click on your naira account, then you can now say send money. So once you click on the send money button from here, click on the send money. So once you click on the send money, then you will now click on the, you will select the send via bank transfer. Select the bank transfer. So once you select on the bank transfer, then you tap on it. So you copy the account number, your FonPay wallet account number. Do you understand? Remember that you want to fund your FonPay wallet account number. So just copy the account number that you wanted to fund that you wanted to send money to. Do you understand? Now, once you have copied your account number, so just click on the send to new recipient. Click on the send to new recipient. Click on the send to new recipient. So just select the countries that you want to send money to. Select Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So then select the currency you want to send to Nigeria. So you now select Nigeria. Select naira, that you want to send naira. That you want to send naira to that account. So click on naira. So guys, to copy your account number, so there are 3 different bank account number for your FonPay account. So what you need to do now is to go to the Fund Wallet section. Go to the Fund Wallet section. So you can copy any of this account number. You can use your Money Point account number. You can use your number account number, or use your 9PSB account number. Do you understand? So once you have copied your account number, just tap on the select bank name. Select the name of your bank. Select 9PSB. So in this video, I'm currently using the 9PSB account number. So input your account number. Input your FonPay account number. So as you can see, the account name has been verified. So just click on continue. So once you click on the continue, then input the amount that you want to send to your FonPay account. Input the amount that you want to fund to your FonPay account. So once you click on it, then you click on the continue button. Just click on the continue button. Do you understand? Once you click on the continue button, the money will arrive in your FonPay account instantly. Once you do that, then you can now go ahead and activate your account with any package that you wanted to activate. So how do you activate your account? I will be showing you how you can activate your account in the next video. Thank you.